Hey, my name is Alex, and I'm here with Sachajuan to show you how to refresh your hair and prolong the style without washing using Sachajuan's Dry Powder Shampoo. I washed my hair yesterday, but it's starting to look greasy and fall flat. Dry Powder Shampoo by Sachajuan absorbs oil, refreshes your hair, and even adds a little volume. It also smells great. To apply it, all I do is spray it on my roots. I can also spray it from roots to ends. Once applied, I grab my blow dryer and blast it with a little cool air. This disperses the product evenly throughout. Then I run my fingers through my hair to finish spreading the product and hold my hair in place. I've just finished styling my hair. It looks full, bouncy, and fresh. With my busy schedule, I don't have time to wash my hair every day. Sachajuan's Dry Powder Shampoo lets me go 2 or 3 days between washes with my hair looking great. It really works with my lifestyle, which I love. You should try it for yourself. And thanks for watching.